Good morning. I'm Jen Amos at Weiss Research.
I'm Andy Myers, and this is your morning market update for Wednesday, March 30th. U.S. stocks are adding to yesterday's gains, following a rally overseas and some positive data on the labor market. According to automatic data processing, private sector employment climbed by 201,000 jobs this month, roughly in line with estimates. Over the last 4 months, the average gain has been about 211,000, which is consistent with a gradual decline in the unemployment rate. The data come ahead of Friday's closely watched government jobs report, which is expected to show an increase of about 200,000 non-farm payrolls. Economists also predict that the unemployment rate will hold steady at 8.9%. Separately, outplacement firm Challenger Gray and Christmas reported today that planned layoffs came in at about 41,500 in March, down from over 50,000 in February and a drop of 39% from last year.
Following those reports, the U.S. dollar pared its earlier gains, but it's still broadly higher against other major currencies. The dollar has gotten a boost over the last 2 days from Federal Reserve officials, who are indicating that the central bank's ultra-accommodative monetary policy may be coming to an end. Yesterday, it was St. Louis Fed President James Bullard, and today it's Dallas Fed President Richard Fisher. While Bullard is a non-voting member this year, Fisher said that he will vote against any further quantitative easing when the current $600 billion program of asset purchases expires in June. Right now, the dollar is buying just over 83 yen, after reaching a post-earthquake high earlier. It's also modestly higher against the euro, but dropping to its lowest level against the Australian dollar since that currency was allowed to float freely in 1983.
On the corporate front, a takeover battle may be brewing in the drug sector. Valeant Pharmaceuticals went public with a $5.7 billion bid for biopharmaceutical firm Cephalon. Valeant said it made several private approaches that failed to start negotiations. So the company is now taking its offer to Cephalon shareholders to replace its board of directors with its own nominees. The bid comes out to $73 a share, representing a premium of about 29% over Cephalon's 30-day trading average. Right now, Cephalon is jumping more than 27% on the news to nearly $75 a share. Valeant is also sharply higher, gaining more than 11%.
A major player among leveraged buyout firms is going public today. Apollo Global Management began trading at $19 a share, at the top of its expected price range. Another big IPO is Qihoo 360 Technology, trading under the ticker symbol QIHO. The Chinese internet company is more than doubling in its first trading session. Meanwhile, keep an eye on BlackRock today. It's jumping about 5% after Standard & Poor's said the asset management firm will replace Genzyme in the S&P 500. Overall, financial stocks are broadly higher. Visa and MasterCard are leading the gains with advances of more than 3% each, on news that a cut in the fees that debit card companies are able to charge may be delayed. That's the latest from Weiss Research. Have a great trading day.